Hi, I'm Joe, I'm 32.
Hi, I'm Alfie, I'm 23 years old.
Hello, I'm George, I'm 24. The Afan Mountain Lodge is set in a pretty stunning scene. The Afan Valley, you've got mountain biking, you've got walking, you've got fishing, you've got horse riding. There's so much going on here. When we saw that this place was closing down and the community were going to lose such an important thing, we got in there, put an offer in and said, we would love to keep this asset and run it as a successful business.
Reaction's been amazing. We've had such good support. There's a wave behind the Afan Mountain Lodge that people were devastated when it closed.
All the locals, all the walkers come in and say how much they've missed this place. We've renovated it entirely. Got a ready-to-go bar, restaurant. We've got a new coffee area in there. Thanks to Nyffryn Council as well, we've now received the Growth Fund, which has been awarded to us, which is allowing us now to start renovating every single one of the hotel rooms. This is an extremely rich area in history. I mean, it's brilliant to have the birthplace of Richard Burton just 10 minutes walk down the road in Pontarlier. It's widely understood that one of the first places he ever learnt to act was inside the Afan Mountain Lodge when it used to be the Miners' Institute back in the 60s. It's great to celebrate the centenary anniversary for Richard Burton. There's so much interest in the surrounding area. We've got loads of American tourists coming down, which is making everything even more popular than it already was.
So not only with the Afan Lodge did we get the building itself, it actually comes with about 4 acres of the surrounding area. The aspects of fitness and health and being able to go for walks, cyclists coming from abroad, we wanted to bring an element of like some kind of health and spa area for not only for the local valley but then for people staying. So there's some brilliant ideas and some big plans for that in terms of saunas, cold plunges, just bringing it right back down to nature. The additional space we've got, which is where just behind you, is a flatter space. This is likely going to be started to use for larger events such as weddings. This is all the things that we want to bring here. We want to make sure that it's a place for memories really and just experiences that you share with people.